3 weeks. It's a hell long time. And we wanted to share the tech news with you guys. So we are back with the episode 18 of the tech update. So today we're going to talk about not just smartphones, not just India, globally, as well as cover PCs in this segment, because PC news is biggest one that we had in this time. Starting off the things, we had the AMD release of the Zen 3 architecture, the AMD Ryzen 5000 series. You might be wondering that I have been ranting about it. Do you know why? Because they are so great. It doesn't end with what the performance is. The performance charts are now available, and the Ryzen 5, the lowest of the segment, is able to compete with the Intel's 10th generation i9 in few performance gateways, and the crown has been taken by AMD for a PC processors. We are just here to expect the Indian pricing, and which is also now available. The Ryzen 5 5600X is available for 22,990 rupees exclusive of GST. The Ryzen 7 5800X is available for 34,490 rupees. The Ryzen 9 5900X is available for 41,900, and the Ryzen 9 5950X is available for a 60,990 rupees. All the prices are without GST. That's what the information is shared by AMD. AMD also had an event where it showcased its GPUs, the new Radeon 6000 series. And guess what? The next day, Nvidia dropped the pricing of the Founders Edition for India. The new pricing of the Founders Edition for India has been changed, and it is now 44,500 for the RTX 3070, which was 51,000 earlier. For the 3080, it has also decreased the pricing to 62,000, which was 71,000, a 9,000 price drop. And for the RTX 3090, it has dropped from 152 to 133,500. This is after the AMD launched the Radeon 6000 series GPUs. It has launched 3 GPUs. The lowest of the one is the 6800, and followed by 6800X and 6900X. All the 3 of them boost 16 gigs of DDR6 memory, so gaming is not just limited, and the performance that they believe is going to compete. But the budget segment is now being targeted by Nvidia, because it is expected that the 3060 Ti will also be launching on 2nd December following the AMD's announcement of its GPUs. So this war is going to be exciting for the customers because they are going to get the best out of it. The RTX series is going to be a major role player because Nvidia has launched a software where you can remove your background as well as replace it in the RTX Broadcast Studio, and that's available only for the RTX series as of now. And here comes the masterstroke. Google, always known for its quality, has come back, and it has provided a brand new feature in the Google Meet. In the Google Meet, now you can click on an icon on the camera view, and then you can change your background. You can blur it, you can replace it with your custom one, and also few backgrounds made available by Google. What Nvidia just made it for its highest series, Google brought it down to almost all the customers with the Google Meet. The feature is available on all the types of devices that Google Meet runs. It is available for the Chrome OS, for the Windows, for the browser support, for the Android as well. Talking about the Android, we come to apps, and WhatsApp has released a new feature where the messages disappear. That something was requested, but WhatsApp doesn't allow you to change the time frame after which the message disappears. It's currently set to 7 days. The feature must be turned on beforehand by going to the person's profile or the group profile and turning disappearing messages on or off. It's off by default, so you don't need to worry about it. Also, for the India market, WhatsApp has launched WhatsApp Pay. It is just like some other normal app that uses UPI to receive and send money. So now you can send and receive payment via WhatsApp as well. Just you need to connect your account with the WhatsApp. Micromax has launched in series in India that's targeted all to India markets with an aggressive pricing of 7,000 for the in 1B and 11,000 as a starting price for the in Note 1. Both the devices has got some industry leading features as well as something that you can expect in the price segment and something which you won't expect, and they are made for the higher segments. So it's gonna be interesting how Micromax takes on with the competition, and it's gonna be a great year for that field of tech. Recently there have been official statements by the Pubg corporation that they are closing their servers from India and slowly gradually taking away their operations from India. That was also expected, and now Pubg's home player, the Korean brand that owns Pubg corporation, has now made a deal with Microsoft Azure to host all the gaming services on the Microsoft platform. If the deal is there is an expectation that Pubg might return in India because the servers of Microsoft are more trusted than what Pubg used earlier. So the government might lift the ban, but there's no official news as of now. It is just a rumor, so you can check that out. Once the news is available, it's gonna drop right on this channel. With this out, I'm signing out for the news. See you guys in the next one.